In this video, I'm going to show you how to possibly make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing using DeepSeek AI in the easiest way possible. So first step would be to choose our niche. So trends.pinterest.com will come in handy. So in this tool, you can actually take a look at what are the trending keywords on the Pinterest. You can choose either growing trends, seasonal trends, top yearly trends, top monthly trends. I'll go with growing trends. You can choose by interest. Maybe you already have interest in your mind. Maybe you are interested in health or finance or gardening. You can tick the box of gardening and you'll get keywords from this niche that are trending right now. For example, corner flower bed ideas, inside of chicken coop ideas, DIY sandbox, and all kind of stuff. Also, you can input your own keywords. You can choose by age or even a gender. But just keep in mind that the majority of audience on Pinterest are women. So just keep in mind that while choosing your niche. In my case, I'm interested in health. So I'll tick the box health. Okay, let's see what we get. Sunburn remedies. I don't even know what this second one is. Hormone health, summer workout. This one sounds promising. Also with this new feature, predict the future, you can actually see what is going to happen with this keyword, with this exact keyword in the near future. We can take a look at the demographics and popular pins. Can go back and take a look at what other keywords we can find. Let's scroll. Beach fit, snacks for diabetes, first aid, fitness routine. Also, let's take a look at this one, workout without gym. The next thing we could do is actually to add that keyword workout without gym. We can add this one right here and actually see that this green one, workout without gym, is actually better than summer workout. And the thing is, with this niche, we can monetize it in a bunch of different ways. First of all, we can start making programs. We can start creating articles or blog posts. In those articles, we can incorporate a bunch of affiliate links from other products. For example, we can promote foam rollers. Let's go to amazon.com. Let's type in foam roller, and we for sure can copy an affiliate link of this product and put it inside of our article. Okay, so our next step would be to find the content we can post on our Pinterest. For the keyword, I'm choosing workout without the gym. Of course, you can check out the popular pins, just clicking on one of those. You can create something like this, just a program. You can simply create this with Canva or Kittl, but take a look at these videos. These are way engaging and more eye appealing. So what you can do is actually go to TikTok and try searching for similar videos. If we copy our keyword, workout without gym, in the search tab, we can paste it. And now we can take a look at the best performing videos. And I preferably would like to see a woman in that, imagining that this video will be watched by the woman on my Pinterest account. And also, if you already have a product in your mind, in my case, foam roller, we can put that in our search bar, just like this, and see if we can get similar exercises with this product. For example, this video looks pretty awesome. Let's click on this video. And now what you can do is actually see that in this video, this girl is only using foam roller and this mat, this floor mat. So what they can do is actually to go and copy this video's link, go to snaptic.app, paste this link over here and click on the download, and this video will be downloaded without any watermarks. Click on the download, and here you go, you already have this video. So once you downloaded your video from the Snaptic, open up a new tab and type in vidio. Sign up with your Google account. Now once you created your account, just click on the upload files upload the file that you downloaded from the Snaptic. Now click on the subtitles and click on auto subtitle in English. And just take a look at this. It added subtitles throughout this whole video. So now just click on done and just click on the export video. Now click on download. Once your video is downloaded, just go to canva.com, type in Pinterest pin, choose an empty template, and choose uploads and upload the video we downloaded from the previous tool. Now just drag and drop this video onto this and just make sure this is the right video. Yes, it does have its subtitles. Now all you want to do is just mute the volume because you don't want to get copyright claims. Just like this. And now let's check if we see those watermarks, because we use the free subscription of this tool, and as you can see in this video, we see read watermarks, but in this Canva tool it already is zoomed in and those watermarks are hidden. Now all that's left to do is just click on share, download, and download this video to your computer. I'll leave a link in the description down below if you want to use this tool and actually put your own subtitles in like 10 seconds or so. Now, once you downloaded this video, we want to create a program for this exact video. So let's go to new tab, type in TikTok video to text, click on the first link, just copy the link of this TikTok, paste your link over here and click on transcribe. Just copy all of this text and go to DeepSeek AI. And this is an AI tool. It's kind of similar to ChatGPT. Now in the prompt box, let's type in create me an article explaining this workout program, including call to actions for buying a foam roller. Add a quotation marks and paste your text from this video. Click enter. Now let's wait for a couple of seconds for this AI tool to generate our article. Okay, that was pretty quick, but it is kind of a short article. If you want to be a longer one, let's type in make it at least 2000 words article, including advantages and advantages of those exercises, and click on enter. In the meantime, let's go to the website where we're gonna post our article. It's called medium.com. You can post there for free. Just click on write, and this is where you're gonna type in your title, and this is the area where you're gonna tell your story, aka paste your article from DeepSeek. So let's check out how it is going so far. It looks pretty good. Now let's take a look at this title. I might be asking for something else, or the ultimate foam roller core workout, strengthen, stabilize, and sculpt your abs. Sounds awesome. Let's paste it right here, and now let's just copy whole article and paste it in our medium.com website. Now all that's left to do is just delete unnecessary gaps, just like this, and go through all of this text and make sure it does make sense before publishing it. Because whenever you create something with AI, you always have to make sure it makes sense. Otherwise, you might be sending your traffic to a bullshit website. So just delete all of these gaps and make sure your article is actually bringing value to the people that are gonna click on it. Now, if you scroll through this text, you can see that it's pretty plain. Now what you can do is actually go ahead and copy and add some images. For example, we can go to Google and paste this. For example, we can use this image. Just click on the open image new tab and copy this image. Go back to medium.com, add a gap, and just paste this image over here. And take a look at this. It already looks way better. And now you can actually get a point of what foam roller plank actually is. Foam roller Nintax. Same here. You can go back to Google. Just paste it right here. And this image is perfect. We can do same here. Open image new tab, copy image, go back to medium.com and just paste it right here. It looks way better, and just do this throughout the whole text and add a bunch of images. Now once you're done with your images, we can scroll to the bottom of this article and we can see this section right here. Upgrade your core training today. Get your foam roller here. Now we can insert a link in this call to action. So to do that, you can actually add a exclamation mark. And now we can go back to Amazon.com. And if you already have your Amazon Associates account, this will be pretty easy. So there will be a side stripe line at the top of this page. So you can just click get the link and just copy your affiliate link right here. But now just go, we need to find a similar kind of foam roller, just like this. Overall pic looks awesome. Just click on the get link and just copy the link of this foam roller. Now let's go back to our article, highlight this text, click on this icon and just paste our link. Now it's embedded with our affiliate link. And take a look at this part. Same here, call to action, we're gonna paste our affiliate link, and this article is already eligible to make us money. Now what you can do is stuff it with more affiliate links, but I just showed you a one way. Now let's click on the publish, click on workout, or type in home workout and workout just like this, and click on publish now. Let's go ahead and copy this link. Just go to bit.ly, click on the plus icon, click on shorten link, and just type in home workout. Well, let's see what was our keyword. Home workout, workout without gym. Let's use this one and create the link. Now we can copy this link, go back to our Pinterest account and actually create our pin. Click here, upload the video with subtitles. Check if it is the right video. It is. Now for the title and description, once we'll do that in just a second, I want to paste not my affiliate link, but my articles link right here. And for the description and the title, let's go back to DeepSeek and ask it to create me an SEO title and description for this article for my Pinterest pin that includes this article. Click enter. Create me an SEO title and description for my Pinterest pin that includes this article. SEO title: foam roller core workout, 5 exercises for stronger pain-free abs. Okay, sounds awesome. For the description, let's copy this and paste it right here. Of course, don't forget to input your main keyword, workout without gym. Add hashtag, just like this, delete the gaps, and you're good to go. Now for the board, let's create new one, workout without gym. You can actually create something like this. For the tags, you can type in workout, abs workout. The last thing that's left to do is just click on the publish. So guys, what do you think about this strategy? It was pretty simple for me. So if you still have questions, you can leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and check out the description section. I have some free stuff for you. Have a great day and see you in the next video.